Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you several easy ways to get free credits every day on Pixverse AI. So if you're loving making AI videos but don't want to spend money on subscriptions, this tip will help you maximize your free credits. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is just open Pixverse AI like this. You can use the official websites on your PC, or you can also simply open the Pixverse mobile app like this. And then after that, just sign in to your account. You can sign in with your Google account or another email account. And then as soon as you're logged in, Pixverse automatically give every user for 30 credits every day like this. Daily login on the daily login like this. You don't need to complete any special tasks to claim them. You will receive it automatically like this. So just log in and your daily credits will be added to your account. And then next, let's look at another way to earn even more credits. Whenever you generate an AI video, you will have options to publish or share your creations. And if you choose to do that, Pixverse will reward you with 10 extra credits on here. You can just tap on start and then just do the next steps to claim these credits. And then next you can also get free credits, 10 free credits from share content activities like this. And then there's also one more feature that many users don't realize exists. Pixverse will let you earn additional credits by watching advertisement on here. Just tap on start to watch the available ads, and then after watching them you can receive the 30 credits per ads. And in most cases in here you will only need to watch 4 short ads, making this one of the quickest way to increase your daily credit balance. So if you combine all of these methods, you can earn up to 150 credits every single day without paying anything. And I think for most creators that's more than enough to experiment with different AI video styles, templates, or effects. Whether you are making cinematic videos, anime edits, social media content, these free credits can help you keep creating every day. And okay, that's all for this tutorial. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.